And the man put on rice and peas, like a rice and peas that for that coconut juice that going up on there. So you see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, you see it? The family them there, so you copy it, yeah man. Man called Saxada. Boy, tell me where head chef though. These two are fairy people. Yeah man, a relaxing time, you know. Everything done and also, you know, there's a time to get clean up and get everything organized and forget to move, you don't know. So everybody just sit down and relax. You see? Yes to you my people. It is here again. You see it, yeah man, on the beach today. Give thanks and praise unto thee, the Most High, my people. Blessed to you. Yeah, welcome one more time again to see it. Yeah man, up on the beach. Yeah. Up in a St. Mary, Portland, with Color Smith. You see, and them people them, you copy me and say, yeah man, but you don't know over there, as a YouTuber, I go and take over time and go through see me. You see, because it's a blessing for there. You see, yeah man, everybody there, I do them thing. You copy, yeah, you see it. I want Color Smith and him guess them is here. Them do them thing. You see? Yeah, man. They have John come on them there in the tree there, relax and thing. Yeah. So them there. You see it? Yeah man. Yeah man, people. So as I say, this is it. Come on. You already know people, you don't know. Dump on the seaside as you can see it. Come on, they are really cool. Come on, this is it, or they are setting right on our people, is it? I want people. So go for the bugger, you know.
Boy.
Yeah, man, that was the intention. I left town, the intention with them food. I said, oh, because I can use them. And so said, you know, yeah, man, the right time you reach to. Trust me. Yeah, man. So you go, you know.
Copy. You don't want to go over.
There upon it. Yeah. I don't know. Shut up. Sun hot out there, you know. Really, man, the sun hot out there. Man, I see you, yeah. Cool off, that's it. Yeah. I shade it. Copy. Yeah, man. Chat up. But there, let's go and ease back and watch along. I want Colors with TV, the boss himself. Walk with one and visitor, you know. Yeah, man, they come checking on things in. Stone. You see stone them people take up an oven, I'm not sure I carry them and make my decoration, you see, which is right, you see? Yeah, man. See me? Yeah, man, cook, man, cooking time and go on. You don't know. Everybody at work, busy. And man, people them look, see stone them, if you use them as decoration. The pretty one, them nice, pretty one, them shaped like egg and flat and neat and smooth and crystallized. And them one them look, is it? Yeah, man.
Blade now, tell them man you. No, more, no, we don't. No, I do up nice, man. Minister Stylist, but you know, the nice, I'm the best night is there. The next one, chicken, me I cook, I think, much bigger than this. No, the phone that me tell you to climb up. Just you know that. I saw you, you know, I look at me and tell you, say, sorry, that. No, dog, no one. Here, come help you? Very good. First boy. And the gender you still have to have it for black and the matter. So when I say, but when you mean they say, what's the ingredient that no man can make sure it's black and white? Again, I mean, someone tell you that each one of them never.
Yeah, man, the crew, the man them get everything organized, okay, I don't know. Things I get ready up and things, so they don't say everything set. You see him? Man called T-Bag, Visitor, Color Smith, Papi. Man them there, you see him? Yeah, man, Chacha.
When you're in at the building and it reach past 7
I want to see it, man, look over some like our fish.
You say a job, but tell you say a man can leave more than 300 back for the day, but now you can never start to and leave from there. Not by you can't do it, brother, you can't do it. Help and have to do them again, I just stretch for them. Bet you think go up after the site, you never do that. Because number one, they tell you say you have to slum. For them man, the new work for them do you have to slum. Every block. Hey. Every block in the road you have to slum. Yo. And I like to slum the two and I use the card and run and it's done in the man. Every block you have to
yo, away from that man, I tell you, fast and good man. That
just tell you say you can't do it on the site where you do.
You can go on.
I mean, never see them and me see road. Every block you have to slum.
Make sure say them plumb, everything plumb.
black down.
You can't lay so much black.
Never. But I'm going to finish behind hardly can lay 100 black to be all them want to work.
All them want to work. But make sure so them thing good.
You think when the man put the leg up on the wall, him no want to see no space to the next back, nothing that I show through the leg. Yes, I didn't rate the man who love money there.
I'm on work, I go and see me, I don't know. I'm pushing the work. You see, rough right now, the sun hot. See, they didn't see nobody out there. You just notice it. You don't see nobody on the seaside because the sea rough and you can't hear it, the people, trust me. Chop up the chicken for make that's a brown stew chicken, you know? Yeah, man. But I get chop up, you see? So I get seasoned up and get ready for cook down your carpet, cha-cha. Yeah, man, climb and set it up. You see? Yeah, man, I climb and set up that. I can see that, so. I want T-Bag to scrape some fish right away, clean up some fish, you see it? Yeah. So, you know? You have fried chicken, fish, and you have brown stew, you see it? Yeah, man. Cha-cha. Or you call it home style. Yeah, man. So this is the settings. Yeah, man. The guests them well relax and wait for them thing, you know? Huh? Big up yourself, socks. The man say, pat them a bubble there. Pat a bubble! Yeah, man. The team member them. Yeah, carpet, cha-cha. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The people them get them soup and enjoy themselves, so later, young lady, they stand up. So, right away, I just get us chair, you know, get us to where.
Wally pass up there, man. So if you don't want that chicken,
soup time, you know. Yeah, man. Soup time, warm up your stomach. See? From time to time, you know, you belch. Yeah, my people, yeah, man. Super, right? Yeah. Yeah, man. I tell you, feel it down from my stomach, to wash off my chest. Cha-cha now. A hot cup of soup, melt off and make you digest. You copy that? Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm there, people. They're on the beach side, you know. You copy, yeah? We're there amongst all of the team members then. See the man called Ratty. Man called Ratty. See it? You have all of the man them there, see it? So, just a blessing, you see it? Soup time, I know. I drink up soup. Fire chief. Man, are easy. No, just like that. You can't pay. Jamaica land 1965.
Jamaica land 1965.
Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, people. You don't know. You can support the Rasta. Where is it name, Rasta? Swizzler?
Swizzle.
Oh, Swizzle. Adventure TV. You hear that, my people? Swizzle Adventure TV. You can't pay. Yeah, man, support you don't because you don't know how the things set, you know. You can go across over the panel channel there and give me support right away. You can't pay. Yeah, man. Every time. Love every time.
Mr. Wash it off.
I mean, color, that is it. I mean, youth. Yeah, man. Warm up your stomach. The carpet, just like that. Yeah, man, all of them on them. One of them there, I see it. And they enjoy themselves, you know. Super nice people, yeah. Hot and nice, you know. So me I sweat. Yeah, man, just like super. Run out some water out of my body. Them yellow yam and them cocoa yam. My God, have mercy, have mercy. Chicken food, that's them people. Cocoa. Super bad with people, trust me. Golden brown.
Sir, chief people are
Chicken, so let me show you. Cover it up and take out the cover of the fire paper because it's too much chicken nice so the fire paper will better. Yeah. I thought I was going to put that yard to go and stay, so. I thought I was going to put on there to go and stay, so. Man socks, you know. Get the golden brown them cover up, you know. Golden brown socks fried chicken. You copy that. Yeah, man. You have it same, man, because them come like you have it even better. Because them become gold, you know. Cha-cha. The movie soca. That is it with people. Socks fried chicken, the cafe. Yeah, man, we're there with people from the beach today. Each and every one, Color Smith TV team, and him guests them. Yeah, man, all of the guests them there on the beach side is in. Yeah, man, it's a lovely sight. A lovely, lovely sight. Look at kids them there enjoy themselves seeing me. The elder them is there seeing me. Everybody there with people, so it's a blessing, it's in. Yeah, man, Jaja. Yeah, people, yeah. So you don't know how the dumpling and fried chicken. You man a free time, you know. See? See, Virgin.
Yeah man, one cause boy big up in the uncle. Boy go out here without fear, man. Heart of love.
Yeah, man, how the food taste?
Yeah man, it a go on, man. Bad and Fred. Coconut dumpling,
Yeah.
pumpkin,
Ah,
fried chicken,
mad.
sick. Tell you, good.
Chacha now. You see it? Yeah, man, the people, we're there out here, man. We're out here without the fear. You see, you know, I said that to be.
Yeah, man. What kind of dumpling I go and do himself, you know?
Chacha now.
And the chicken, you see it?
Yeah.
That's my boss.
Yeah, man, respect, man. Yeah, man, people, so you don't know. You see there, my own business, so you don't know, you just drink some soup or like warm up your stomach, so you eat 2 dumplings and 1 piece of chicken. You copy.
This small land.
Just watch along with people, see? Yeah, man.
Get something people.
Go people. Go that dumpling are bad. Come on. I mean, people are going to consume, you know. Remember to subscribe, like and share the video. Socks, fried chicken. Bad. Man. Big up yourself, family. So right today. Yeah, man. People don't feel away, you know. I don't know what to carry it off for 5 dumplings, you know. Yeah, man. I'm taking it for no joke thing with people, trust me.
Food done by you. I go get dumpling. I ain't about to have
People, bad. So you hear me now say nothing? I don't want to taste the foot of my mouth, so I don't want to work more people, trust me. For real. Bad. Where's something? Eat everything.
No man, because the guests then get to know me, I forget none at all. You get the dumpling, guy, you know every day me eat chicken. Now one day I'm in a grey wing and
You hear that? You hear that with people? They want a socks fried chicken that, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Then wait.
Have it, bro. You never know still have it.
Check see him sleep it out, man.
You see when
Just a long
you see
time.
the can come so and consume the chicken with the skin on it, bro. You know say lock. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yesterday season. And a today season. Just not too long. Yeah, man. You okay, fresh, bro.
Why? Why? Every piece of bone me chew. Socks fried chicken. Gone! Nothing can stop it. It's a fly. Socks say more and ring him and I have no ring yet. But him soon get the ring, man. When you make the ring and start flying, they all over in a foreign. Socks fried chicken. I lead the way. Yeah, man, come in and have a seat. Let's come eat some chicken. Copy! Cha-cha. Remember people, food bad. I know say, you have more round left, you know, people. Yeah, man, you have more round left, man, because you know, I believe you have fish left and suppose you have some stew chicken or something like that, or them things left, you know, people, so. Now stay around. Not me can manage still, but now stay around and see what I'm going. See? Yeah, man, cha-cha. Man, I can't come for going in the water. And people.
And then they realize that they're going.
Yeah, them realize now, cause I mean, so then I get the next spot ready, live and ready. See the people. Stew chicken.
Water. Socks in the water.
Water. People, so you see him down there, wash off the grater. So the lady and her family down there, so relax. Don't know, yes, so them there, so them don't know maybe them fried chicken and fried fish and them stew chicken, and them put on rice and peas, like a rice and peas that for that coconut juice that going up on there, so you see it. Yeah, man, see, you guess them there, sit down and relax. You see him? You see, yeah, you see it? The family them there, so. I copy, yeah, man called Socks Hard at work. You see, Colin Smith has juice the coconut juice right away. You see, yeah, man. Bigs that come up with the grater there. You see what I did? Yeah, man, I saw the thing said. You see, this is how it's setting on the man at work. I try to push through everything for done everything. In the space, yeah, man, I cut up the season over this. You copy, yeah, man. Over there, so I cut up the season and I get to work and I do my own. You see it?
Your fish come.
You ready for the fish? I'm ready fish there. You just ready for the fish.
Yeah, don't before you are
You don't like that boy? Come here, no verse, no?
No, sir.
Yeah man, I'm at hard at work. I don't know. Dump on the beach side, the seaside with them, my people. Colour Smith TV and the team and the guest them, which is the guest them is right there. Yeah. Right on the beach side. No, you realize that nobody not to swim because the sea is very rough. You see? So through that no nobody not to go into the water, everybody just easy back. They just eat food and drink soup and relax. You know, so the music can't to play, so everybody just enjoy themselves. Just sit back and just easy. You see? Yeah man. So this is it. This is the setting, my people. Dump on the seaside, Colour Smith TV and them crew. And remember, my people, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please go and subscribe and keep the channel alive, my people. We're heading to 1,000 subscribers, my people. Help us get there. The only time we can get there is by the help of you, my people. That's the only way we can get there. Without you, my people, I will not be there. So please, I'm asking you, my people, help me towards it, my. That is my goal for now, my people. It's got to pay, yeah, man. Colour Smith the general there. You see right now them have the fish, the fried fish I look after. Them have the stew chicken I look after. And them have the rice and peas I look after right now. You see it? Yeah. Them done the coconut dumpling and some fried chicken already. You see it? And soup. You see it? Yeah man, so you get them relax and I go and let them food they bypass and pass along that them can consume the fish and the stew chicken and the rice and peas. You see it? Yeah, man. The dairy people, it's a blessing for the dairy people. Jaja now. And we just give thanks and praise to the Almighty God for us to go out there. You see? And the man show a lot of gratitude for really appreciate the company team. Even you know the youth so cool and the youth so just calm. I just wait for us use the discretion and not say go ahead. Remember though, I film things, so we can't do pressure and things. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm have to run in video too. So when you see my running video, you have to just keep yourself easy and just relax. You see? But you not stop it from say boy shoot a video too. You see what I mean? You not stop it. You see? That is the youth, man. The youth is just cool and relaxed. You copy it? Yeah. So as me I say my people, we're there. You see? Yeah man, we're there. You want to call it? Jabot, just a ride in, you know. Chacha, the man, right, bro. We'll go buy some cool juice, you know. What you get me done?
You want to get some cranberry and flat water.
Alright, I'll go up on the front there. With them things. You see it? Yeah, man.
Oh, are you selling more?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Tea bag, you know. One tea bag, we have been saying name and I say move. We have been saying name, man. Come on, I say move. Yeah, man.
Carrot.
These two are fairy people.
Cloaks. Ganja. I really think put some of napkin in it.
Boy, tell me where head chef though.
You know, I see until I tell a seminar
What's that?
Yes or no?
So you want a science in your eye?
You have some chef where the man just touch
Technology. You want that technology in your system.
Yeah.
You want to become a robot.
Oh, you
No, you get me a try to say.
Yeah, you want me comes a robot, yeah.
You have some chef out there. You saw them man they cook. I tell you man. The man them just burn.
Where them use and cook?
They are man them give.
On the stove?
Yes man.
Okay, me check them eye.
No, but we just show you, we just
Okay.
give you that level of
Okay.
Without finish.
Yeah, level of cooking them want.
Yeah.
Look on the food.
Just look on the food and the food cook.
You know, so one little you tell me that say, him tell me he want to be scientist. Him a 9. And I say my youth knows that scientist mash up the word. You can't tell him that. You know, say, him say him want when me see him house. I'm look on it so. I'm take a book and look out at him house disappear.
Disappear.
9-year-old I tell me.
No.
No, take what me say serious.
A stronger evil, that you know.
9-year-old I tell me say when me look on him house and take a eye and look at around him house disappear. So what kind of sense work that man?
I want stronger evil I come with, you know, bro.
No, you see the society you're living right now with them kids that them exposed to too much.
Brother, look
So
here.
if a 9-year-old can talk like that.
Me tell people say, we live in a new world and we have to pay to live in it with the younger generation. And if you don't have no money, you now can't live in it. You believe me?
That is true.
Serious. And you take it serious. Take it very serious. Oh.
I tell you man right now, I want to take the thing, because I'm cooking up. Our job, we cook for downtown people.
You ever see that?
So,
You see that?
I don't consider it. I want to do because I start the catering company, see? Start the catering service.
Yeah.
To get wedding work and I try to build myself.
Why if you can't do everything? Still
Yeah,
cook,
man.
bake, do everything, you know?
Yeah man, the
Yeah.
big, exactly. So
Yeah,
the
because
school is
in that field, but then again, when I time, why me leave it out? You cook this whole long from morning to night. When you come in at certain time, you can beg your belly coming like fire make up and down and you start up. So leave it, like
So why that happen?
it a mash me up, man.
Why it happen?
Send them over the school from morning till all 11 o'clock at night, brother. You know,
Turn up over the stove for long.
brother, you know,
All of that is that transfer to
leave it.
messy up for a while.
So you over the stove till 11 o'clock at night?
General,
What am I saying, man?
kitchen work
Hey,
at
we are
No man, but everybody have a 9 to 5, don't it? All you do till 11 o'clock at night.
The two chef.
sometimes chef no come
The-
and
the chef-
chef all the laps and chef.
Well, I'd say he work 3 days, he work 3. Sometimes he no come.
Yeah, I tell you, you have to do field
I
job.
mean, I have to do things, brother.
Yeah man,
Now that have you done till 11 o'clock at night?
and you get paid for it.
Then at 24 hours, the place are open. So you have to cook till them hours, they have
Yeah,
food.
Nah man, I employ more chef man, you have 4 year job done in the what happen?
You don't understand what I'm saying. You don't understand what I'm saying.
No, if your job done, don't them get more chef right away. Oh, everybody know man.
Look here, you don't know, so the chef never come. And when you see hours ago and them not come in, where you go to? Them can't get no chef that time, they
After
fix
the
this
place, you
in.
don't have no option.
Can no chef not take
The boss have to come to the kitchen, come help out.
Whatever plans you have to cancel.
The boss have to come to the kitchen, come help out.
You have to cancel because the boss will call you. Number one, the boss will call you and say, yo boy, the father work, you know.
Look here.
Look out the door.
Me alone can't do it, you know.
We know, but you
Oh,
might pay more money.
no, me I tell him say I will not give me the whole of the shop for you make. Me alone can't do it.
Virgin, me nah lie. I've been there.
Yeah,
I
man.
know exactly what
Yeah,
you
man.
say. It happened to me.
You gotta understand
It happened to
what
me
I'm saying.
Christmas Eve. I'm back to grandma night direct like kitchen and me a cook rice until from morning. Me a cook rice, you know. I'm gonna tell you say as we send out a bucket of rice, you know. Them are that come back around there.
It's done.
They will say what I wrote.
Eh?
Buck
Where
rice
they want
with
to
peas.
One Pepsi in the box.
You
Pull
want
them and say you have to do this, you have to
Go on
do
the other
this,
final.
you have to do this.
I'll cook it. Give me money.
Brother, I can tell you.
Chef work,
You can tell you, brother,
thing,
say
man.
chef her. I know what normal. And guess what? You have to cook also something what you don't eat.
Exactly.
Me no eat pork and me have
When you
to
eat shrimp and me have to cook
me
shrimp.
no eat beef and me have to cook it.
Yeah.
And sometimes the people
You don't have to eat it, taste
say
it.
I lie, me I tell me no taste it. Look,
Yeah, just taste it, you don't have to eat it, taste
you
it.
see the first time when me I go cook pot was cook, I ask the next chef. Season it up for me and what everything in it.
From now that they do.
And brother, I start measure my seasoning them. I mean measure them.
The place on town, no?
Brother, it work.
Get your marble, man.
It work.
I tell you man. General, kitchen work are something I love.
You see kitchen? After a while,
Yeah, man.
the smell,
Let me get my tar.
make you can cook.
Come in. Where you want there? You hear that? Watch yan, watch yan. Watch yan. Oh, wrong show. Miss. Miss. Whoa! If you broke it, you lose. If you broke it, you lose, you know. If you broke it, you lose. Oh, you not broke it, my people. Yeah, man. Long time I don't play. Oh, that stone a biggie, man. Oh, Finn stone too big, you know, see same bigger than me.
Come on, send out the food. Send out the food. Alright. 1 point, Sakimina. My pansy.
Whoa, boy, over it. The camera, they're pointing us and everything.
Same time when we see it. Yeah. Alright. Oh, what's up for me? That's it. Hey, boy, play with Silva. Not play wide, hey.
Ah! Good bouncer.
Who can play marble? Who can play marble from your 6? No, a whole we have put the marble in, brother. What kind of box you have talk about? Box, brother.
So yeah, what kind of marble game at the box? What kind of two-side box that?
Yeah, box it.
A ring me know, you know?
No.
Circle.
How are we ever doing this circle?
You get the box to the show. Who beat?
What kind of ring him on you?
A box
play ring, bro.
Box it, know you can't play it.
How that, brother?
Come in, 5,000 against
You think I dance,
5,000 against 5,000. Me and you. And lower. And we don't want to
So that means no, you have to go in and
Come no.
Me can't play them day game, the
Me not business man. Come on. One marble me have.
So you go so deep.
I want to do someone else.
No, we don't draw one box, brother.
No, I don't want to
Wall. What kind of wall? I thought good game for my youth. Yeah. Good game, the man of play. You know, we never play a wall here. I play my youth.
How that play now?
I won't go into the wall.
And shoot a man.
No, the original way. I shoot first and then go wall. The original way. We never play that. Never play that.
Where that game a name? Marble.
Go with the line. No man, I hope you're so
So where's the marble them there? All the marble them there? Me no know. So how you go now?
So me I don't know if you marble. Let's see marble. Look which my marble job.
No man, a good man.
Music go there marble. Huh? Shooks right here, you know. No, Shooks, brother. Come no man, you keep up the game too long. No Shooks. Shot again, come again. No man, I discipline.
This play, how for that? Mine a blue one.
This is my one is. No, but think when I
that kill and then go all after. What's up?
We have everything this have a kill. What kind of pum knocks that?
Oh, nobody. The Shooks never want that.
My play now, my play. All right, what is up?
Next man, play.
Marlon,
Oh man, Sacks, are you playing right now?
A sax player.
Oh, me have got some socks. Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, supposed to be the Marvin game. Nice.
Socks. You know, so me no shook son when I play marble. Play fast. Me no shook son. Play. Why play? No, play now, Jack.
This can't play a marble, look here. Look here. Oh, what that?
Watch out, you know what this name? Dalty.
Check that wall.
Alright.
Wall fire there.
Alright, I know. I see what going on now. None of them look at you that can't play marble, you know. For you saw them hold them knocks.
Watch out.
Watch color knocks. Watch color knocks. Watch color knocks. Color can't hold him knocks good. Watch your color hold him knocks. Watch your knocks.
How for this? Fine. Think I can't play a marble, you know.
My player.
Orius. A hole if you go in a hole and just boop out the medina. Don't stand and go off right now.
Shot him before me, Sacks. Shot him before me. Shot him before me. Sacks. You're wicked, man.
Sacks, remember, no shooks. No shooks. No. You can't get in the wall.
Oh, you need.
Take it off.
What the hell, man? Shoot hard, man.
So choke, then 3 extra.
Yeah, all of them, man. My play. Oi. Hey, we don't like
Shall I shoot him? Can I pant up on him? Shoot him.
different now. Dead.
You go hole now. No, took the hole.
Yo, give me the
Yeah, man. Share some fries, some peas and food right again, is it? Yeah, man, so see, one of them feed up, you know. Yeah, man. But they enjoy themselves, is it? The day of the evening of the people. They were right by the beach fight, you see it? As I'm sure somebody now swimming because the water, the seaside rough. From there, we come out, the sea rough. So, everybody enjoy them food. Yeah. It is like that. You see it? You would call Ratty. The guests them enjoy themselves. They have a nice day. Nice relaxing day them off. You see it? Come on. Man called Socks. Man called Lasco. Man called Color Smith. You'd call Toneman. Yeah, man, a relaxing time, you know. Everything done now, so you know, just a time to get clean up and get everything organized and forget to move. You don't know. So everybody just sit down and relax. You see, just like that. You can't pay, it is it. And that's a flow.
Bingo.
See it? Yeah man, packing up and fixing up and get up everything, put in a vehicle, forget moving. You see the people, just like that, you see everything done now. Yeah, one whole day out of cooking. You see stew beef, fried fish, fried chicken, coconut dumpling, rice and peas. Yeah, carpe, cha-cha. It was that nice. Pure niceness of people. Watch from the sea. From morning the sea rough. None of the guests them touch the water. Them just go down and wet them foot. You see me? Yeah man, cause the water too rough. Yeah, my people, it's a pleasure to be here. This is it, the evening coming down. We give thanks and praise to all of the people that's still watching this video this far. Yeah, man. And if you don't subscribe as yet, my people, I enjoy the people. I want if you, please, I'm asking if you just comment and subscribe. If you don't subscribe as yet, share the video and like the video and let us know what you think about the video, my people. So, you know right now, it is this is it. This is the end of the evening, everything done, you don't know. It was a coconut dumpling, fried chicken, it was soup, it was vegetable rice with fried fish and stew chicken. You see my people, yeah man, so it was a very nice day, we enjoyed the day. I was there, and first we really come around with some people and we give thanks to that, we know the place and can come here and know say, boy, yeah, that is that, just like that, you copy? Yeah. So that's how we want to do the thing, you see? Yeah man, just like that the people, see? Yeah man. The guests them get themselves ready now. We can chip out and so forth. Yeah man. Even them enjoy themselves, but we give thanks to know say the people them enjoy them. Hello?
Yeah,
How was the day, my lady?
no, I didn't think you know.
Okay. All right, my lady, no problem. All right, yeah, that's the problem, no problem. Yeah.
People go and come, I can tell you. Only the road. But if you road in better, maybe that's spoil. Things will not spoil. But maybe if you road in better, things will spoil.
Okay.
And maybe that's too much traffic.
Too much traffic.
Maybe that's too much traffic.
Along the road,
Maybe the government can't tax.
Eh?
the road mash up with car.
You know, you miss it. And maybe you know, the government know and tax so much.
Jamaica Land 1965. Yeah, man.
Brenda, put your phone and put it on, you know.
We do cooking same, I'm travel, I drive all about, I go from Negril.
And you are the one we're going to interview like people, country, in the countryside.
No, I do that too, but probably I don't know if I'm here yet. I go to Negril too, I go Mobile, I go Wochi, I go Hanover, I go...
That's what, like going different parishes.
Different parishes in the island.
Talking about the different
Yeah.
I'm watching one camera.
Come on. So you can just, next time you see it, you can just know say, yeah, that you know say that you the one good youth even they give me the winning, you know, if assist me with my tire, you know. So yeah.
Oh, are you with it?
Yeah, me, yeah. Yeah man.
Anyhow, thank you and the Lord bless. Thank
Yeah man, thank you too man for
Remember,
coming.
Jesus love you. The greatest
Yes, my lady.
lover of all.
Yes my lady, that is
Take
true.
care of yourself.
Yes my lady, yeah man.
When
Respect
me
and
tell you,
thank
say
you.
me enjoy.
Enjoy yourself.
Funny for cook.
Yeah.
Some but me enjoy.
Enjoy yourself, yeah man. And you too mommy, don't it? Yeah man. Respect here. Alright, you can just subscribe and just keep the channel going. Alright? It's a blessing. Eh? Oh, Miss Carol.
No, I forgot to put it in.
Oh. Alright, yeah, I put it in.
You know, put it in
Yeah man, you know put it in, man, Miss Carol.
Remember me, all you know, me.
I like your name, you know, Miss Carol.
Me just follow a certain
Yeah.
thing.
Miss Carol, she know, Miss Carol have a lot of moral, you know?
This morning, me kind of feel a little way when me come through the road.
I saw it go, man.
But after me come now, it's a different. Oh, me
So
fall.
all getting ready for leave out. You see me? I mean, all getting ready for leave out. Everybody getting ready for leave out. You see it? Yeah, man. All team members them are get ready and load up and bus a load up and thing and get ready. You see it? Yeah, man. It's all getting ready.
Put it in from the thing there.
That's it? Yeah. Yeah, man, people, so what? Yeah, man, big up and thank you for this. That is it. My people, respect. Remember to subscribe, my people. See? Love you know, one love, every time.
You blood. I go to good one. Can't ride it, man.
More with the pot them, you know. Come on. Let the thing them clean up as well. Wait, because ready to leave out. You see? Could have smith ready. Yeah. People that was leave out there already. You see? One pops a leave out. That's it. Ozzy and wifey are leave out there. Come on, leaving out time. Everybody are leave out. You see it, people?
No, we got yourself here.
Drive safely.
Yeah, man. Next time, yeah.
Yeah, man, respect.